ass in the street, and I then believed my body was my body. It is not my body. It is Allah's body. I cover because I respect myself. I don't have to live the way that I used to live, not caring about myself, truly believing that it was my body, and that was my rationalization for why I would show every part of my body that I should not show. Today I am covered in every aspect, and I love this body that Allah has given me. And because of that, I wear hijab, I cover from head to toe, and I would not change it because I respect myself because of this.